Hi, I'm Betsy Sarcone with Keller Williams Greater Des Moines. With the shifting market, today I'm going to talk about 3 reasons why your home may not be selling. Are you or is someone you know struggling to sell your home? If you're a homeowner who is having difficulty selling, know that you're not alone. Fortunately, there are ways to combat this issue, and we're here today to talk about them. Here are the top 3 reasons why your home might not be selling and what to do about them. Now, number 1 is pricing problems. This is a very common issue, as many homeowners price their homes too high in hopes that it will leave room for them to negotiate down. However, this may end up turning away buyers and losing money in the end. Today's buyers are getting smarter, so it's very important that your realtor or you listen to the market and listen to feedback and act accordingly. In most cases, you do need to adjust the price, and the right agent can help you do that appropriately based on comparable sales. Now, number 2 is product problems or condition. Sometimes there may be a problem with your home. Again, listen to the feedback from agents, from buyers, and adjust accordingly. Maybe there are renovations or updates you need to make. However, sometimes it can be as simple as decluttering to show that the home has more space. Also, a common problem is staging. The correct staging, including curb appeal, decorations, paint, and much more, will make a huge difference. Now, number 3 is marketing problems. The truth is that you won't sell your home if buyers don't even hear about it. Make sure you work with an agent who has a top-notch marketing plan. The majority of consumers start their home search by looking online, so we want to make sure that you present well both online and in person. Also, work with someone who knows how to get your listing seen by the most people, including through social media and even virtual open houses. Thanks so much for watching. I love to work with homes that didn't sell the first time, so if you or somebody you know is having problems getting your home sold, call me today. Thanks so much for watching.